It is no secret that we spend hours on our phone every day, but the majority of those hours are not very productive and don't push you towards your goal. So in this video, we're going to go over 5 hacks that will transform your phone into a success tool that will push you closer to achieving your goals. The first hack is learning. Your phone can be an excellent learning machine. From ebooks to audiobooks and podcasts, you have millions of hours of content that you could absorb straight from your phone. I love being able to read inspirational and self-development ebooks while I'm waiting for someone, or listening to an audiobook or educational podcast while stuck in traffic. As I digest this information over time, I get smarter and smarter, and my abilities grow. I can't even tell you how much your life would change if you listened to an audiobook instead of music on your way to work every day. But learning isn't only limited to books. You can also download learning applications. There are tons of apps out there like LinkedIn Learning and Udemy, both of which I use, that you can download on your phone and listen to or watch in your free time. For example, when I'm waiting for a ride at the airport, I'll open up my LinkedIn Learning app and I'll watch a course on Excel, and in that time I'll increase my knowledge of Excel, which is a skill set. Or I'll open up my Udemy app, which is where I store all my very specific marketing courses, and I'll brush up on my Instagram marketing skill. Regardless of your skill set, there's an app out there for you, or at least a digital book that you can have access to on your phone at any time. So while everyone else is going through TikTok, you can be learning something that will benefit you for the rest of your life. Oh, and a little hack: if you're on a budget, then get a library card and rent books for free through your library. They have a massive selection, and you'd be surprised at how many bestsellers they have available. Second hack: brain training. Your phone can be used to train your mind. This hack can be broken into 3 areas: focus, games, and meditation. You can download sound apps that deliver a blanket white noise that you can listen to while you work. This helps put you into a state of focus, which trains your brain to ignore distractions and vastly increases your productivity. You can also use it for games, not Angry Bird style games, but games that are designed to grow your ability to think. For example, I use a brain training app called Lumosity. Lumosity has a plethora of games that are designed to push your mind in different areas. When you play the games, you get better at critical thinking, memory, and problem solving. Also, you can get games like chess. Chess is an excellent game to increase your cognitive ability and is very fun to play. The last form of brain training is meditation. You can download a meditation app that will increase your day's clarity and train your mind to focus. We process so much information and have so many distractions that it's important to balance all of those external stimuli with an inner balance. The act of focusing on nothing or one thing at a time will develop your brain's ability to focus, which will yield major dividends in your future. So you can use your phone to train your brain by developing your focus, playing games, and meditating. The third hack is scribing. Your phone is great for taking notes, reviewing notes, and documenting ideas. Something I've developed is that when I have an extra 5 minutes, I avoid jumping on social media and I instead jump onto my note app and review something productive. It can be notes I've taken from books or courses, or even reviewing affirmations or goals, but I find it much more productive than scrolling through Facebook. You can also use your phone to document your ideas. You can use a note app for this, or even if you want to be faster, use a to-do list app and record your ideas there. Then take some time each week to review your ideas and see which ones you want to pursue. Fourth hack: planning. You can use your phone to plan out your day or week and to review your to-do list. Sync up your Google account to your phone and use the calendar and to-do list apps to plan out your next day and to follow up on your to-do list. You'd be amazed at how much more effective you are when you take 5 minutes to plan your day. And every time you think of something you need to do, record it on your to-do app so that it doesn't continue to take up space in your mind. Schedule a time once a week to review your to-do list in detail and create a plan of action for the most important ones and remove the ones that are no longer important. Fifth hack: motivation. You can use your phone to increase your motivation towards your goals by visiting your vision board and affirmations. I know it's not very common for men to have a Pinterest board, but I do because I find it's one of the best apps to create a vision board. I pin photos that inspire me and remind me of the life I'm working towards. Having a visual representation of what to work for available at all times is helpful when I don't feel like doing what I need to do. I just whip out my phone and get to my board, and bam, am. I have my why and I can get to work. You can also visit your affirmations or your why straight from your note-taking app. We don't have to write them down on a piece of paper and carry them around anymore. Also, another mini motivational hack is you can create a phone background with an inspirational message or quote that motivates you to get a move on. Use that wasted space to keep you moving forward. So those are the 5 hacks you can use to transform your phone into a success tool. You can use it to learn. We have access to hundreds of millions of hours of information that will make our lives better. Why are we spending so much time listening to music? You can use it to develop your brain. In the age of information, your brain power is what gets you paid. Don't play games that eat your time. Do things that expand your brain's capacity so you can grow. You can use your phone to scribe, take notes, and review notes. If you wrote it down in the first place, it must be worth reviewing. You can use your phone to plan. A wise man once said that if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. Your phone has the ability to plan out your weeks, months, and years. Take the time and plan at any time. And finally, you can use your phone for motivation. Motivate yourself when you don't feel like doing it. Don't go to social media, go to your vision board, look at your home screen, and be reminded of your why. The more action you take, the faster you will get to where you need to go. Turn your phone into a success tool. Don't follow the masses and allow your phone to suck your life away. It has more power than the rocket that took people to the moon. Use the power to get you closer to your goals. I'm Chase E with Bite Size Success. If you want to join me on the self-development journey, hit that subscribe button to tune in on a new self-development video every week. Until then, keep pushing forward.